malinamnam na putsero. Alam niyo bang pwedeng iluto ng may dilaw na sabaw? Traditional dish ng mga kababayan nating Maranao. Gagawin natin gamit ang authentic ingredients. Ramen is one of our go-to dishes when we are craving for Japanese cuisine.
Sure, ako na.
Ramen served in a sizzling dish ang iahahain sa atin ng Kurijay. Inalam ni na Jelly Bea and Richard Kwan kung bakit nga ba trending ang kanilang Korean-inspired dishes and desserts. Nam na putsero. Alam niyo bang pwedeng iluto ng may dilaw na sabaw? Kamote na paborito nating merienda. Papasa rin palang latte. Traditional dish ng mga kababayan nating Maranao. Gagawin natin gamit ang authentic ingredients.
So yung ating sakurab, para siyang spring onions pero mas flat. Galanggal compared sa ginger, same with sakurab, mas subtle yung flavor nito.
Malamig man o mainit ang panahon, ramen is one of our go-to dishes when we are craving for Japanese cuisine. At kapag ito ang nakahain, talagang napapalaban sa kainan kahit ang mga kapuso foodies natin. Una na dyan sina Bruce Rowland at Luis Ontiveros na satisfied ang cravings at protein goals sa Kyushu Ramen.
Bro, balita ko kakatapos mo na ng training. Alam mo, dahil dyan, ako bahala sa'yo dito kasi kailangan natin ng protein, di ba? At akin tong Aka tsaka Kuro. Itong dalawa sa'yo.
Sa akin naman yung Laksa and this is the Chanpon. Yung spice level naman niya, I think it's just enough. It's quite creamy kasi merong coconut milk daw na mixed sa soup niya and it's very savory.
So ito guys, medyo uminit na dito kasi napaka-anghang ng pagkain na to. Pero nagugustuhan ko.
Now, what we're trying is the Chanpon ramen. Hindi siya maanghang at all. And if you're like Bruce na hindi masyado pang nagtatry or hindi mahilig sa ramen but you're willing to try, I think this one is a good starter for your taste buds.
Alam nyo guys, Kuro means black. And bakit black? Diba? Because here in the Kuro Ramen, they use black sesame paste. So, tikman natin, guys. Now, baka mag-ramen ako twice a week dahil dito.
Nabitin ba kayo, food explorers? Don't worry, because our hunt for the best ramen continues. Dahil mamaya,
Sure, ako na. Sige.
ramen served in a sizzling dish ang iahahain sa atin. Farm, events place, dining space. Dahil sa kakaiba nitong charm at accessible amenities, talaga namang gaganahan kang tuklasin at bisitahin ang lihim ng Kubli. Bukod dyan, maaari ka ring maki-interact sa ilan nilang livestock.
Ito kasi mga, hindi naman sila yung specific breeds ng tupa na magpo-produce ng maraming gatas. So hindi siya practical na gamitin as pang-milk talaga.
Dahil sa aking masayang experience sa kanilang farm, hahandugan ko sila ngayong gabi ng 2 dishes na pwede naming pagsaluhan.
Pag sinabi natin putsero, automatic may isip natin pula. Tomato-based. Yung siguro yung nai-imagine nating magiging itsura niya at the end. But sa paglilibot nga natin dito sa lihim ng Kubli, nakakita tayo ng magagandang kalabasa. So naisip ko lang na pati hindi magkaroon ng ibang take sa traditional classic favorite na putsero na imbes na pula or tomato-based, gawin nating yellow or pumpkin-based. Nagawa tayo? Putserong dilaw. Uunahin muna natin yung pinaka-garnish natin. So we have a pan, lagyan lang natin ng oil. Isa dun sa mga garnish natin, yung ating carrots, imbis na ilaga natin or pakuluan, ipa-fry lang natin para lang mas mag-caramelize yung asukal na meron siya or yung sugar at maiba lang din yung itsura ng presentation. So habang niluluto natin yung carrots, yung isa pang madali mong i-associate sa putsero, saging na saba. yung ating sibuyas.
Matitikman na natin ang putserong dilaw mamaya. Samantala, sina May Ilonggo Girl co-stars Jelly Bea and Richard Kwan bibisita naman sa isang award-winning cafe na may Korean vibes.
The pride of our cafe, the Columbus Award. We won the 2024 Best Cafe. 감사합니다.
So ito yung ating kalabasa. Yan yung parang pinaka magiging base nung sauce or sarsa ng ating pochero. Prepare lang din natin yung ating bell pepper. So ready na yung ating garnish, bell pepper, saba, yung ating carrots, tsaka yung sibuyas. Ngayon doon naman tayo sa pinaka-base. Gagamitin natin yung ating kalabasa. And syempre, yung protein natin, yung ating baboy. Tapos yung ating sibuyas, saka bawang. Para lang din mas ma-enhance yung pagkadilaw ng ating pochero, lagay tayo ng turmeric powder. Paminta, of course. Then season na natin ng toyo, asin, at brown sugar. Pag naamoy na natin yung bango ng ating mga pinanggisa, pwede na natin lagyan ng stock. Pakukulan natin to hanggang lumambot, magre-reduce lang din ng kaunti yan, and then mamaya pwede na nating i-mash yung pinaka-base or yung pinaka-sauce natin for our pochero. Check lang natin. Kita natin yung karne, lambot na. Pero yung pinaka-importante nga, kaya siya naging pocherong dilaw, yung ating kalabasa. Malambot na malambot na. Mash lang natin yan. So parang in a way, para kang may pumpkin soup na may garnish na tipak-tipak ng baboy.
Sa labas pa lang ng cafe na to, aakalain mong nasa South Korea ka na. At dito sa latest hangout spot ng Pinoy foodies sa Quezon City, inalam ni Jelly Bea and Richard Kwan kung bakit nga ba trending ang kanilang Korean-inspired dishes and desserts.
Welcome to the Egyo Cafe. So the Egyo Cafe is supposed to represent our brand, bring the experience of Seoul here in Quezon City. Here we like to feature art. So this one features the art of construction.
Okay.
So this is a skylight that represents where we started. So we started during the pandemic. It only means that we could be walls apart but always under the same sky. So we feature local artists as well. So for this one, the mugs that we actually have are made by artisans in CDO. So, and then also our furniture, right there we have a centerpiece made by Sir Randy Quaresma from Guagua, Pampanga. The pride of our cafe, the Columbus Award. We won the 2024 Best Cafe. So the founder of Columbus is kind of like Michelin of the coffee world. The founder, he's South Korean, and he's also the founder of Centone, the one that regulates scent. You know Pantone, parang for colors.
Okay.
Centone is for scents. It's really big in the coffee world. And they awarded us the Best Cafe 2024 Columbus Award.
Congrats.
감사합니다.
Up next, sina Jelly at Richard. Mapapashake?
May pa-shake-shake pa
So
ba?
we shake it first.
I remember you mentioned violently.
Yes, violently.
At mapapabilib sa isang latte na gawa sa kamote?
Masarap. Ubusin ko na.